Mark Vazquez, Vice President of Sales and Marketing at Westlake Financial Services, says that there is now more competition among finance companies and lenders, which benefits dealers who are looking for creative products to maximize every opportunity that walks through their doors.
In the past couple of years, yeah, there's been lack of sales because of lack of financing out there. And what we've noticed in the past year is that, as credit markets are loosening up a little bit, or maybe a little defrosting a little bit, we see that they're coming back, and there's a little more competition in the market space right now amongst finance companies and lenders, which is good for the dealerships because now you have lenders somewhat competing against their calls, right, to better service the dealerships and gain their business, and so that's really good for the dealerships right now as far as having competition with lenders. So we have seen definitely more lenders coming on board. Not to the rate where it was, 5 years ago when, it was back in the heyday, but definitely little by little we see little players coming back and giving competition not just to us but to everyone, which is very good for the dealerships. The more options the dealerships have to sell cars or finance their customers, the better off they are. And I think it's right now we're definitely on the upswing as far as that's concerned. The economy has still been tough out there. I mean, unemployment is still a struggle. There's still key issues out there that, as a nation that we're still facing. But as far as the credit markets are concerned and auto finance companies are concerned, there is some loosening that comes to that. And so, it's important that the dealerships have very good relationships with the lenders because, right now is definitely a time where there's a relationship is key. So if a dealership has, hey, I got this customer, this is the story with it, this is the story I am with the car, let's make a deal. Right now is definitely a time to voice that and make something happen. And so the competition amongst lenders is letting the voice of the dealerships, be heard now and allow them to create more sales. But there is a struggle out there. So the dealerships are definitely still struggling, and we understand that. That's why on the lending side, we have to be creative and say, okay, let's go ahead and get more products, give more choice for the dealerships to maximize every opportunity that walks into the dealership's doors.